Hello everyone, welcome to this video. If you are searching for a Matsuura MX-330 post-processor, or a Mastercam post-processor for Matsuura machines, or a FANUC G-Tech post-processor, then this video is exactly for you. In this video, I will explain everything you need to know about the Matsuura MX-330 post-processor for Mastercam, including machine overview, controller details, post-processor features, and how you can get the correct post-processor for your machine. The Matsuura MX-330 is a high-precision CNC machining center, widely known for excellent rigidity and accuracy, high-speed machining, long-term reliability, precision production environments. Matsuura machines are commonly used in aerospace components, medical parts, automotive machining, precision engineering industries. To get the best performance from a machine like the MX-330, you must use a proper and tested post-processor in Mastercam. The FANUC G-Tech controller is an advanced FANUC-based control system used on many high-end machines. It supports high-speed machining, advanced interpolation, precise axis control, FANUC standard G-code structure. Although FANUC is widely used, G-Tech machines require correct post logic to generate safe and accurate NC programs. That is why a generic FANUC post-processor is not always sufficient. You need a machine-specific FANUC G-Tech post-processor for Matsuura MX-330. The Matsuura MX-330 is a precision CNC machine, and incorrect G-code can lead to axis motion errors, poor surface finish, machine alarms, tool damage or crashes. A proper post-processor must correctly manage axis movements, tool changes, spindle control, safe retract and approach motions, FANUC G-Tech formatting. That is why professionals always use a tested, machine-specific post-processor. This post-processor is designed specifically for machine name, Matsuura MX-330, controller, FANUC G-Tech, CAM software, Mastercam, machine type, 5-axis milling, axis configuration, XYZAC. It generates clean, safe, and production-ready FANUC G-Tech G-code. This post-processor supports 5-axis positioning, 5-axis simultaneous toolpaths, multi-surface machining, complex contouring, accurate rotary axis control. This allows you to machine complex parts in a single setup, improving accuracy and surface finish. This post-processor integrates seamlessly with Mastercam multi-axis workflows. You can create 5-axis toolpaths, simulate machining, post accurate FANUC G-Tech programs, validate motion before machining. Everything is handled inside Mastercam using one post-processor. If you are looking to download or get the Matsuura MX-330 FANUC G-Tech post-processor, you can contact us using the details in the description. We provide verified and tested post-processors, correct machine configuration, installation guidance, basic testing support. We do not provide random or untested files. If you need this post-processor, feel free to contact us, and if you are working with any other CNC machine, you can reach out as well. We have a large collection of Mastercam post-processors, including Matsuura machines, FANUC controllers, Siemens controllers, Heidenhain controllers, Haas and Okuma machines. We provide post-processors according to your exact machine and controller requirements. To summarize, this is a professional Mastercam 5-axis post-processor for the Matsuura MX-330, designed for FANUC G-Tech control, supporting X, Y, Z, A, and C axes, and suitable for high-precision production machining. Thank you for watching this video. If you need this post-processor, or any other Mastercam post-processor, you can contact us directly. All contact details are available in the video.